Are you looking to start your own LLC in Alaska? In this video, I will give you the step-by-step guide how you can do that. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is, in my opinion, one of the best companies for creating your LLC securely and also really fast and effective. Now, the one thing that I always say is that when you're starting your own company, you should focus on actually building the business and outsourcing all the accounting stuff and all the creation of the business stuff. So you should actually focus on just the things that are going to make you money and that are going to provide the value for, let's say, society. Now, I'm going here when Incfile start my business. Here, you would have LLC and then state of formation, you want to click Alaska. Then you have option between these three packages. My recommendation is that you're going to see the silver, the gold and platinum. My recommendation is going with the gold and I will explain you why. So with the silver, you're going to have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, then also unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But here on the gold version, you're going to have like all of that, but also the operating agreement, unlimited phone and email support, business tax consultation, also the banking resolution, free registered agent service for a year. And this is a huge thing for me, only because like it's going to cover a lot of stuff for you that you don't need to do. And then you can actually focus your attention elsewhere. Now, when you're going to see also the platinum version, the huge advantage about platinum, but this is up to if you want to go for it or no, is that you're going to have the business contract templates. I will explain later in the video what it means. And then expedited filling, so you will start your company faster, and then domain name and business email. If you want, you can go that way too. But my recommendation is going for the gold package. That's what I use and that's what I recommend. So I'm going to click on that. Here, you're going to add a first name, last name, and email. So Marcus Stanelius. I'm going to add email address. And you can add the email address with me. And then I'm going to add the number. And mailing address. So again, I'm going to add the address. Okay. Now I'm going to press next. And here, so here I have an option to go with a 3 weeks filling time or 1 business day filling time. Now it's up to you which one you're going to choose, of course. I will go with the 3 weeks for now. Then LLC name, here you are going to create your company name. So I'm going to name it Sanui, that's the name of my company. And then I can just choose LLC, limited liability company, LTD liability company, you choose that. So I will go with the LLC, but you can also change the designator. Number of members, I'm going with 1, and then you have to add a business purpose. So I'm going to write here in business purpose, so we'll create YouTube videos, or like let's say our company focus production services, right? Okay. And then tell us what industry you're in. I'm going to add video production. Of course, you can like choose by yourself your own. Then when you got it, you're gonna add the company address information and then just choose the one that we added. But if your company address information is going to be different, you write it here. Okay, press next. Here I have the premium service package, and this is something what you can do. So you can upgrade for only $149 to receive these 3 premium services. And you can go with the expedited filling service, business contract templates, domain name, business email address. This is the platinum version that I was talking about. But again, if you need the expedited filling service and domain name and business email address and business contract templates, you choose this. But again, you can go no thanks, I will pass on this secure opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Now you're gonna have the member one. That's if you're gonna have multiple members of your company, you have to fill these things up. So if the member is company, you have to add a company name and everything here. So I'll choose individual, and I will just simply press these two, that I am the owner alone and 100% of ownership. Click next. And here, this is my really recommendation to have the registered agent for your company. And here you would have it for completely for free for 1 year. Then it's 120 value for the next year. So free for the first year, that's amazing. Guaranteed rates, all inclusive, and reduce junk mail. You can read about this. You can do it also. I would like to act as my own registered agent. You can do it, but again, I always say that you have got it for free, so why not use it, right? So click next. Here you're gonna have the IN tax identification number. I'm foreign individual and do not have social security number. No. First name, last name, Marcus Tonelius, and I'm going to have my... So you can just like easily add it here. If you want to, and you just add the IN here. Physical, street address, again, I'm going to choose that we added. I'm going to press next. Here, you have option setting up the small business banking, open your new account over the phone, no financial center visit required. You can do it with the Bank of America. I'm not going to say that you should or shouldn't. This is completely up to you. Maybe you have your own choice, maybe your own, let's say, preference. So I will just, no, not at this time. I'm going to choose. Then I'm going to press next. And tax strategy free consultation. Here, I would like to receive the bonus tax consultation. This is something that I definitely recommend to do, to have the free consultation when you're actually paying money for it. And here, you're going to have the business license and permits. Yes, you need to identify all licenses. And if you're going to choose maybe a different, let's say, I don't know, something else, maybe you're not going to have any licenses here. So you can also do the things by yourself. Now, you choose that and you fill everything here. Okay, then you're just gonna press next. And then you're gonna have the formation info. This is like the review order. Agents info, company, member info, business tech consultation, and tax info, everything. Click next. And here the last step is a billing information. Here you would have cardholder first name, last name, street address, and card number. And when you're going to fill everything, then all you have to do is just complete and pay. And Incfile is going to also write you. They're going to like share with you stuff. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can share it, you can like it, you can subscribe it, comment it that it helped you. My recommendation is always go with the Incfile. It's a secure company, it's a good company, and you're not going to make a mistake if you're going to choose it. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day, and this is how you can form an LLC in Alaska. Goodbye and see ya.